Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Thank you very much for your attention. I will present about practicing spiritual mindfulness with awareness of emotional management. Trigger question is, what do you know about the manage of emotion regulation and how we should manage our emotion any situation, and how spirituality mindfulness could help to manage emotional regulation. Overview. What is the description about the cause? This is subject that focus on apply to understanding of emotional regulation in spiritual mindfulness properly. Learning outcome is increasing to ability of spiritual mindfulness and improve student ability to manage emotion. Emotion regulation for student is someone who is counter pre-adulting life. Students start to take a role such as community and organization, but as they carry off with the rule, they cannot be separated will lead to conflict between role and negative feelings such as anger, guilt, disappointment, anxiety, and sadness. What is regulation emotion? Regulation emotion is the ability of individual to evaluate and to change emotion reaction to behave in accordance with the situation and condition. Emotions are very important to express because by expressing emotion properly and correctly, it will prepare physical and mental to interact with other individuals. Factor for the formation of emotion regulation is age. Individual will find it necessary to regulate their emotion based on their past experience. Gender between man and woman will have different emotional control according to their gender. Religiosity, any religion must have thought about how to regulate emotion. Personality, individual capability to regulate emotion effectively, which include both positive and negative emotion. Possible strategies for emotion regulation is response focus strategy or expression suppression. Implementation of response regulation of inhibiting the emergence of excess emotional expression, including tone, voice, and attitude in behavior and facial expression. Antecedent focus strategies or cognitive reappraisal. This strategy appears to change the mindset of individual to become more positive in interpreting situations that will cause certain emotion. What is mindfulness? The term mindfulness comes from the combination of two words, sati, which means awareness, and samprajanya is a clear comprehension, thus indicating that way of being aware that attending to what happened in the most general sense. It means pay attention with passion and care to what happened. To regulate emotion, the first is situation. It will produce two kinds of strategies, where situation selection become a strategies in regulating emotion by walking individual will be faced with a choice that can make them feel better by approving or avoiding situation. It will have an impact on their emotional experience. Modification, where individual will change unpleasant situation by modifying the external and physical environment. To attention. An attention deployment strategy will be from The strategy will direct individual attention to certain situation to make easier to regulate emotional involved. There are two forms in these strategies. Direction, taking attention away from the situation that occur. Concentration, focusing on the situation. Appraisal will be produce a cognitive change strategy based on evaluation that will change the individual mindset toward the existing situation, where this evaluation they give is influenced by an emotional picture that is according with age development. Response. It will produce an emotional regulation strategy in the form of response modulation, which will involve the express behavior of individual a certain situation. The basis of emotion regulation strategy is based on the model of emotion or the process of the emerging of emotion, which consists of four steps. The first situation, so we understanding, we use validation emotion, what is this situation happen, and attention, we have to focus what the situation is, you have to choose. And appraisal is how we evaluate the situation. And respond is we calm down to situation that's happened. List of attitude and behavior that help develop being mindful in everyday life. Non-judging, being an impartial witness to your own experience without premature conclusion. Passion, letting things unfold in their own time. Beginner mind, being receptive to new possibilities and not getting stuck in root of your expertise. Trust, developing a basic trust in yourself and your feeling. Not striving, paying attention to how you are right now, however that is. Accepting, saying this they actually in the present. Accepting, letting go is a way of letting be of accepting the as they are. Mindfulness practice should be enjoyable because it gives birth to joy and happiness. Another source of happiness is concentration. When your mindfulness become powerful, your concentration become powerful, and when you are fully concentration, you have a chance to make breakthrough to achieve insight. Spiritual mindfulness for regulation emotion. Spirituality healthy is recognized as central element of holistic development and play a key role in the mental health. Result like spiritual inclination protect you from negative outcome and promote positive and flourishing development. Further spiritual based and coping spiritual can help in demanding situation to enhance their psychological and physical health. Spiritual mindfulness for emotion regulation. Therefore, mindfulness, especially the acceptance component of mindfulness, is classified as an emotion regulation strategy. Students who have better spiritual health may be able to cope with demanding situation, and the mindfulness will help the reframe of reinterpret adverse experience. Further spiritual well-being will be seldom again negative outcome because of the sense of belonging and nurture individual. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.